Is that a handheld phone? It is too. I thought it was dash mounted, but I saw his hand move and the phone bounced as he came past. Well, you can see he's distracted. He wasn't catching up to the stop line back there, and even here he's driving, kind of meandering in the lane a little bit. Just kind of all over the place, braking early. I don't know where he's going. Yeah, you're holding a phone, you dipshit. What's this phone? Straight at somebody. Why were you holding your phone? I can see the lights on. No, I'm not going over there. I'm going to report you. On his phone. And driving like this. Unlucky for him, huh? And I could see the phone screen was lit up. It's in dark mode, but I could clearly see writing and areas of black and greenish. And he had earphones in. You can see there's no dash mount there because he put it on the center console.